Hello, learners, and welcome to Self Learning. Self Learning is back again after a long time with a simple yet interesting topic, that is apostrophe. Apostrophe is no doubt a minor topic, and people do not focus on it more. But people often make mistakes in it which they never notice. So today we will learn the correct use of apostrophe. But before starting the topic, do subscribe the channel to get my new videos. Also like and comment on the video in the end. So let's begin. What is apostrophe? An apostrophe is a punctuation mark, this type of mark, which is used before the noun to show its owns, belongs to something, or for contractions. Its uses are contraction. It is used commonly for contractions or omission of letters. Like, often we use it for contractions. Like if we say I have and we write it in this way, I have, I am, there is, doesn't, and shall. Here you can see that we have used apostrophe. We have omitted some of the letters and we have used apostrophe in place of it. So another rule is when we talk about possession, it is used after a noun with s to show possessions. Like grand's car, my brother's book, dad's keys. Now, when you talk about this apostrophe and an s, that means you are showing the connection between these two nouns. Car, that belongs to Gen. Book, of my brother. Keys, of my dad. It has connection between both. So apostrophe s is used to talk about connection between both and possession. Often people make mistake in this third rule, that is when to use apostrophe when it is a plural noun. We use apostrophe after s for the plural noun. Now whenever we have a plural noun and when we talk about the possession, so we use apostrophe after s. Let's look at some examples. My parents' decision. That means here this parents is taken as a plural noun, and that's why we only use apostrophe and no s to talk about the possession. Students' class. Biscuits box. Now here parents, students, and biscuits. These all words are already plural, and that's why we only use apostrophe to show the possession, but we do not use an additional s. I hope you liked the video and that has helped you understand the correct use of apostrophe. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe the channel. Happy learning!